Hey everyone, it's MJ. I was just going to show you guys 3 different ways to create shadows. There's 3 ways that I use. Um, the first one I use is I will do Control J to make a new layer and do the burn tool over here. So if you go all the way to the left, you'll see the burn tool. I have mine at 11% exposure, so not very strong. So you can go under here, create some shadows this way. So if I turn it on and off, you can see it. See it? Yep, yep. Okay, so let's delete that one. The problem with that, if you do the burn layer continuously for your shadows, it will start to turn gray. You'll have like a gray line, or it'll be obvious that you created that shadow. So you want to alternate between the different ways. So here's another one. If you go to brightness and contrast, come up here, reduce the brightness, click on your mask here, do Control I, get a white paintbrush over here, get your paintbrush tool, and then you can brush it on like so. So turn it on and off. See it there? Obviously that's way too much. I wouldn't do that, but just showing you guys. Let's delete that. Another way you can do it is a curves level. So go up here to curves, pull down here. Same thing, click the mask, Control I, get your white paintbrush, click your paintbrush, and draw it on. Click it on and off so you can see it. So a way you can do this is, come in on one layer, do a burn level, with a small brush and create like a small shadow, and then come in and do a brightness layer and, do a bigger shadow and kind of mix between the 3, and it'll give you a little bit different dimension, and it won't turn it the complete gray color that the Dodge would do. So just a little bit of a tip there. That is it for today.